सपनों को हकीकत में बदलते हैं हम। हम हैं जिंदल स्टील एंड पावर लिमिटेड, राष्ट्र निर्माण में समर्पित। Jindal Steel and Power Limited is a major global enterprise with its manufacturing facilities in 3 Indian states, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Jharkhand. Ever since its inception, the efforts have been focused on nation building and sustainable growth through innovative product design and advanced manufacturing, the very essence of Make in India. Company's chairman, Mr. Naveen Jindal, believes that true development is possible through inclusive growth only.
हमारे भाइयों को बहनों को जिस चीज़ की आवश्यकता हो और अगर हम उसके अंदर कोई अपना योगदान दे सकें तो मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत ये एक सौभाग्य की बात होती है।
Taking his vision forward, Mrs. Shalu Jindal, President of JSPL Foundation, is working for the upliftment of the underprivileged in and around the company's areas of operations. JSPL Foundation focuses on sectors like education, health, women empowerment, livelihood, skill development, agriculture and sports. JSPL Foundation understands the importance of education, hence many programs are being run in this field. Starting from pre-primary education to technical education, JSPL Foundation is committed to give quality education to the nation. Pre-nursery schools like Little Angels, Prarambh and Aram in villages and Balwadis in remote areas are providing basic education to the toddlers. In Aram, along with imparting education to the children of labourers, a nutritious diet is also provided. Stationery items like books, bags and furniture are provided free by JSPL Foundation. More than 10,000 students are studying in the O.P. Jindal schools located in Raigad, Tamnar, Angul and Patratu. Another school in Kunjimora has been opened for the poor tribal children where school fee has been kept minimal. Jindal Vidyapeeth in Angul has also been established to provide quality education to the children of the villagers.
Jindal Vidyapeeth दशम श्रेणी छात्री आम विद्यालय शिक्षा व्यतीत अन्य सब सुविधा दि जाए मागणार आमको पुस्तक और पोशाक प्रदान कर सुस्थ रखापी आम विद्यालय उत्तम खाद्य व्यवस्था रही।
A residential school has been established at Tensa in Odisha, which has become home to the tribal girls of the region. In Odisha's Angul district, JSPL Foundation, with the help of John Augustus Prison and Social Welfare Society, is helping the children of prisoners to continue their education. Providing infrastructure to government schools, including boundary walls, toilets and drinking water facilities, have been undertaken by JSPL Foundation to enable students to study in a healthy environment. JSPL Foundation encourages students by giving scholarships to meritorious students. Also, it runs a special Good Luck program to encourage girl child education. Every year, nearly 500 girls who have passed a metric class are given gifts so as to encourage them to study. JSPL Foundation provides study material in Anganwadis and community teachers to the government schools. Anjor, an adult education program, is also being run where women from villages are being educated. O.P. Jindal University is imparting high-quality technical education to its students based on a world-class curriculum. This university aims to make world-class education accessible to deserving students both in metros and in smaller towns of India. Jindal Institute of Power Technology gives students a unique first-hand experience about the workings of a power plant. Mr. Naveen Jindal's commitment to empowering people with exceptional educational opportunity is visible everywhere. He is one of the few industrialists who have kept aside a corpus of 500 crores for a non-profit global university known as the O.P. Jindal Global University in Sonipat, Haryana. the JGU equips the students with the knowledge, skills and vision required to meet the challenges and demands of globalization with help of a trained faculty. Health is another sector where JSPL Foundation is running many programs. Various health camps, including blood donation camps, free cataract surgeries camps, free cleft lip surgeries and AIDS awareness camps are organized from time to time in all 3 states. Fortis OP General Hospital at the heart of industrial town Raigarh treats the poor patients for free. Occupational health centers have also been made in JSPL colonies to provide medical facilities to the people living near the plants. A blood bank, which happens to be the only component separating blood bank in the area, is also located in Raigarh. Recently, JSPL Foundation also inaugurated Project Echo. The heart of the Echo Mode is its hub and spoke knowledge sharing networks led by the expert teams who use multi-point video conferencing to conduct virtual clinics with community providers. In this way, primary care doctors, nurses and other clinicians learn to provide excellent specialty care to the patients in their own communities. Mobile medical vans reach the poor patients in distant villages and provide free consultation and medicines. Telemedicine centers, which run on a cloud-based technology, connects the remote area patients to the specialized doctors sitting at a different location, hence saving a crucial time by providing immediate relief to the patients. Another flagship program of JSPL Foundation is Kishori Express. Kishori Express has reached 321 villages and has been crucial in preventing anemia in adolescent girls. Through a quiz installed in the Kishori Express van, young girls are made aware about healthy living. Kishori Express has contributed tremendously in decreasing the infant and maternal mortality rate in Odisha. JSPL Foundation believes that population stabilization can play an important role in the development of the nation. Keeping this in mind, villagers are educated through street plays about the importance of smaller families. Another program, Vatsalya, is also working in the field of population stabilization and women's health. Through this program, institutional deliveries are becoming a norm in the villages. Swasthya Sanginis also organize meetings with young girls and women to address the health issues from time to time. Yoga classes and teachers are also arranged to impart healthy lifestyle habits in school children. In Raigarh, Asha the Hope is dedicated to bring about tangible improvement in the quality of lives of persons with disabilities, provide them a world-class platform to access the state-of-art rehabilitation services in terms of early intervention, early childhood education, and skill development training and communication technology. Through physiotherapy, occupational therapy, special education, speech therapy and audiometry, music and recreational therapy, differently abled children and people have got a ray of hope in their lives. Mrs. Jindal truly believes that women are the pillars of any economy in the world.
I think सभी महिलाएं कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहती हैं, उनको मौका नहीं मिलता है, तो अगर मौका मिले या उनको कोई समझाए कि आप खुद भी कमा सकती हैं और अपनी फैमिली के लिए एक कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकती हैं, कुछ मॉनेटरी, फाइनेंशियली, तो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम वांट टू डू इट, बस एक मौका मिलने की बात है.
Around 700 women are associated with about 52 self-help groups, while Zardozi program trains the women in embroidery. Akriti is training the rural women in stitching and designing. Jan Jivika Kendra in Angul, Odisha has Cheti, where women make pickles, sauce and papad from locally grown vegetables and fruits. Women associated with EcoSpa and Roopsi make beauty products for urban markets. In Odifab, women make bags and other products from jute. a group of women make incense sticks under the Sugandhi program. Another self-help group which has impacted the health and lifestyle of women in villages is Shodashi. Shodashi is a low-cost sanitary napkin making unit which has provided a clean and hygienic life to rural women. To make women independent, JSPL Foundation has started a Prajita which trains women in masonry, which was earlier a male bastion. Women associated with these self-help groups have found a new identity and self-confidence and are now becoming economically independent. JSPL Foundation is also committed to encouraging village art and culture. The JSPL Foundation is helping local terracotta and dhokra artists in training and marketing their products.
स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा, पानी, रास्ता, हर तरह के मैंने जुड़े हुए हैं। मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम जिंदल के पास जाएं, हमें ये असुविधा है तो ना सुने, वो तुरंत होता है।
This year in August, Swam Shilp was also organized in Delhi for the younger generations to see and practice the tribal art. Apart from this, JSPL Foundation is working for the upliftment of a near extinct tribe, the Birhors. Famous for making ropes and unique knots, Birhors are provided free plastic sacks through which they are earning a livelihood. To support the local villagers, milk collection centers have been established so that milk can be sold at good prices. Naveen ji believes that growing population begets unemployment and we must do our bit to generate employment not just through industries but also by providing vocational training. In fact, vocational training is necessary and important ingredient for a nation like ours where more than 50% of the population is under 25. In line with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, JSPL Foundation lays great stress on the skill development of the youth of our country. Keeping this in mind, OP Jindal Community Colleges, in collaboration with Montgomery College USA, has been dedicated to train a skilled workforce for the country. OP Jindal Community Colleges are present in Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Youth from all parts of the country learn skills here to earn a livelihood. The vision is to train 1 lakh students in various vocational courses in the near future. OPJCC has various specially designed vocational courses like electrical, fitter, carpentry, masonry, tailoring, welding, computer training, plumbing and painting. Beautician and housekeeping courses for women have also been started recently. This year, at the World Skills Day, a student of OPJCC, Sushila Bera, was given a skill card by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
OPJCC की वजह से हमारी लाइफ चेंज हुई है, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं बताते हम लोग को प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना के बारे में, तो हमारी लाइफ चेंज नहीं होती.
Villages are now connected with cities through a network of roads built by JSPL Foundation. Bridges and culverts are also made for the public convenience. In Raigad, as a security measure, CCTV cameras have been installed at 8 locations by JSPL Foundation. Other than this, beautification of the cities, Marine Drive in Raigad, and airports of Ranchi and Raipur have also been undertaken by JSPL Foundation. Overhead water tanks, hand pumps, conservation of ponds, and electrification in villages is also done by JSPL Foundation. In Angul, a water van is placed at public places every day which provides drinking water to everybody. Construction of toilets in rural India is also one of the focus areas. In Angul, a R&R colony spread over 80 acres have been made by JSPL Foundation for the villagers living near the plant. R&R Colony is a self-sustained township with all basic infrastructures like schools, dispensary, playgrounds, water and electricity. JSPL Foundation undertakes a repair of temples as well. Stadium and sports ground are also maintained by JSPL Foundation. Adrut Children Home and Orphanage in Angul has been established by JSPL Foundation. It is now a home to 90 children who are provided food, shelter and educational facilities. Another school for the children of laborer in Burbil, which is managed by Padam Shri Tulsi Munda, is also supported by JSPL Foundation.
जिंदल को जैसा हम लोग डोनेशन जैसे सहायता करते हैं वैसे ही जहाँ जहाँ से हर लोग देते हैं। 3 साल होने के बाद हम लोग ले आते, इसमें पढ़ते पढ़ाते भी।
A government old age home in Raigad is also adopted by the foundation, which is giving shelter to the elders who have been abandoned by their families.
नबील जिंदल साहब और हर गरीब आदमी को ऐसे ही तरक्की बता दे और ऐसे बना दे सब गरीब के लिए। वो भगवान उनको जय जयकार रखे, आगे चलते और अच्छा करें।
Recently, a new initiative, Food for Hungry, has been started by JSPL Foundation in Angul, which will feed nearly 100 needy and poor people. JSPL Foundation has always stressed upon cleanliness, and the clean and green environment of our plants and colonies is in consonance with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started by the Honorable Prime Minister. Tree plantation is also integral to the JSPL Foundation. Over 7 million saplings have been planted across JSPL facilities till date. For a pollution-free environment, villagers are also educated and encouraged to use biogas for cooking instead of wood, thus reducing deforestation. Smokeless chulhas, which run on solar panel, have been given to Anganwadis that has cut down smoke considerably. Fly ash bricks made from the residue of power plants are used in construction, thus reducing air pollution. Environment awareness rallies are organized each year on the World Environment Day. JSPL Foundation believes that in an aggregated economy like ours, farmers are the backbone of the country. Hence, they must prosper and get all the help they need to augment the production of crops. JSPL Foundation has collaborated with NABARD for watershed and Wadi programs. While through the watershed program, underground water levels have improved, moisture in soil has also increased, which has benefited the farmers in crop production.
हम लोग JSPL के साथ यहाँ 2 वाटरशेड डेवलप कर रहे हैं, तो उड़ीसा में शायद मेरा ख्याल से दिस इज द ओनली कॉर्पोरेट विथ whom we are working.
Through Wadi, polyhouse and greenhouse, farm production and subsequently the earnings of farmers have increased substantially. SRI technology has been taught to the paddy farmers who can now grow rice in much less water, time and manure. JSPL Foundation has also helped the villagers in mushroom cultivation, which earns them more money as compared to other vegetables. Veggie-Cart, a unique program, helps farmers sell their farm products in markets at better prices. Ajola, which is an animal fodder, and Semilata plantation is also supported. JSPL Foundation has provided threshers to the villagers through which the rice is easily shelled out. JSPL Foundation is also encouraging the rural youth to take up sports. In Odisha, children are trained in kickboxing and judo karate. Tribal students who are being trained here have won gold, silver and bronze medal at various national and state level competitions. In Odisha, a gym has been established by JSPL Foundation, which is encouraging the youth of region to adopt a fitness regime. In Jharkhand, boys and girls football team have been encouraged by JSPL Foundation. They are provided free kit, coach and training. JSPL Foundation has many big initiatives in the pipeline. Being a classical dancer, preservation of art and heritage is very close to Mrs. Shalu Jindal's heart. JSPL Foundation is setting up the Jindal Kalakshetra, a center for arts and culture at Angul, to provide training in classical arts to students. This will be a residential facility spread over 10 acres and will offer scholarships to the underprivileged children. This will also enable the youth to develop their skills so that they can take up classical art and craft forms as career options in India as well as globally. In the next 1 year, JSPL Foundation plans to build 1,000 toilets and e-toilets. JSPL Foundation will also focus on organizing drinking water pipeline for the villages in vicinity, initiating population stabilization initiatives, start healthcare programs related to health and hygiene of adolescent girls, strengthen micro-enterprise development through SHG initiatives, especially with respect to women empowerment vertical, work for senior citizens and people with leprosy and disability. JSPL Foundation also plans to revive the artisan guild by providing the local artists like potters and weavers in preserving and reviving their art and helping them market it. JSPL Foundation is also building a temple within their Angul township spread over 13,084 square feet at a total construction cost of Rs 15 crores. JSPL Foundation truly believes that if each individual can take small steps for the betterment of society, then we can build a nation of our dreams. JSPL Foundation held Swayam Sid Samman award ceremonies at Raipur, Bhubaneswar and Ranchi, where people and organizations who benefited from its CSR initiatives and who are in turn benefiting their communities were felicitated. JSPL Foundation honored 61 individuals and 9 self-help groups with the Swayam Sid Samman Award.
स्वयं सिद्ध का अवार्ड मुझे तो इसलिए मिला क्योंकि मैं विकलांग होते हुए भी जो बच्चों को दिल से मेहनत कर रही हूँ, चाहे रात को 8 बजे भी फ़ोन आता है तो छत में जाके भी बात कर लेते हैं। अवार्ड मिला उसके लिए बाबूजी को बहुत बहुत खुशी हुआ कि सालू मैम के हाथों से अवार्ड मिला। मैंने 2010 मसीहा में ओपिजनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्किल्स इंस्टीट्यूट से फिटर ट्रेडर नाम लिखाया था। मैंने 90% मार्क रख के ट्रेड बेस्ट हुआ था। उसके बाद मैं अभी राउरकेला स्टील प्लांट से जॉब कर रहा हूँ। मेरी इस सफलता के लिए मैं ओपी जिंदल इंस्टीट्यूट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड स्किल्स इंस्टीट्यूट को मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
पढ़ने के लिए मदद दिया है जिंदल कंपनी, और हमको सीखने के लिए भी दिया है, किताब दिया है, स्कूल जाते हैं बच्चों को भी सिखाते हैं, पढ़ाते हैं।
हम लोग को जिंदल ने बहुत सहायता की, हम लोग को आने जाने के लिए भी सुविधा देते हैं और खेल का सामग्री जैसे जर्सी, जूते और किट उट सब देते हैं। हम लोग जितना भी प्लेयर है ना, हम लोग अपने ओर से उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं।
गर्भवती को टीकाकरण दिलवाते हैं, शिशुवती को टीकाकरण दिलाते हैं और गर्भवती महिला को हॉस्पिटल लेके प्रसव कराते हैं। जिंदल कंपनी से गाड़ी मंगाते हैं। इस कार्यक्रम से हमको लाभ मिला है।
मैं 2007 से JSPL में CSR के डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रही हूँ। मेरा ग्रुप का नाम है महिला कल्याण एवं विकास समिति, और ये ग्रुप का ट्रेनिंग हुआ 2010 में पापड़ के लिए। सभी महिलाएं ने अच्छा से पापड़ अभी बना रही है।
JSPL Foundation is now taking this legacy forward by organizing the Rashtriya Swayam Sid Samman. It's an effort to identify and encourage those who have made an impact at the grassroots level.